Bronchoscopy. Introduction. The lungs allow us to fill our blood with oxygen. Select true or false. Correct. A bronchoscopy can be used to diagnose and treat diseases of the respiratory system. Select true or false. Correct. Bronchoscopy can treat certain problems of the airways, such as thick mucus blocking the passages. Linda has a bronchoscopy scheduled for 10 a.m. Which of the following statements is true about her preparation? Choose one of the following options. 1. She can have breakfast before 8 a.m. 2. She can drink liquids for breakfast but not have any food. 3. She should not eat or drink liquids after midnight. Correct. Is puncture of the lungs a common risk of a bronchoscopy? Select yes or no. Correct. Puncture of the lungs is a rare risk, but it can happen. Thank you for using Explain.